Welcome! If you're finding your inbox flooded with LinkedIn group update emails and want a cleaner, quieter experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to disable email notifications for group updates on LinkedIn using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged in to your account. At the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage, you'll see your profile picture with the label Me. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu. Click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts and emails LinkedIn sends you, including those about groups. Now, scroll down or look for the Groups section. Click on it to expand your group notification options. Here, you'll see several categories, such as group invitations, group updates, recommendations, and admin updates. Focus on group updates. This is where LinkedIn sends you emails every time there's activity in one of your groups. Next to group updates, you'll see different notification types: in-app, push, and email. Locate the email option and simply toggle it off. This will stop LinkedIn from sending you group update emails, but you'll still be able to see group notifications directly on LinkedIn if you want. If you're part of multiple groups, you might want to repeat this for each group or adjust other group notification settings as needed. LinkedIn allows you to fine-tune exactly what you receive, so you can keep your inbox focused only on what matters most to you. And that's it. You've successfully disabled email notifications for group updates on LinkedIn. Enjoy a clutter-free inbox and stay connected to your groups only when you choose to check in. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more settings to further customize your LinkedIn experience. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.